Nvidia is down 1% today, and basically the past week has been a slow crawl back down into the market bias level, which is what we've expected. You guys know that we had a $150 price target for Nvidia by the end of this year. That is still in place, and I actually think that we could even see a high of maybe $170. For those of you who are full time traders or understand technical analysis, you know that a stock will never simply go straight up, and it will also never simply go straight down. The market is going to move within waves, and you'll notice that normally when price is pulled back into the daily market bias, it is a time to accumulate shares to the long side and hold them until we start to see what we call bearish distribution or redistribution, which is indicated on this BX trender when we start to make lower highs into lower lows, basically from green to red. This is not a sign to short. I feel like so many people expect this to be, but instead, this is actually a sign to take profits because there's a good chance that price is going to compress its way eventually back down to the market bias before making another move to the upside. And you'll see that even though we've been compressing sideways, we're still making lower lows on the BX trender. That's why I've expected Nvidia to pull back to 135, worst case, maybe 132.50 before a potential move back to $150. This would give us a sizable retracement, give big money the chance to buy this at a little bit more of a discount headed into earnings, which would land us somewhere around $152 to $155 by the start of December. If we move out to the weekly chart, you'll also notice that this expansion coming out of nearly a 4-month compression is still showing tons of strength. The BX trender at the bottom of your screen is still showing higher highs, which means that institutional buying and pressure is still there. At this point, I feel the most optimal thing to do is actually selling cash secured puts for the next couple of weeks down to 135, maybe 132. And if you really want to try to time the bottom, then wait for the middle of this market bias to accumulate, setting a stop loss around 125 and to take profit up around 150. I hope this video helps, guys. Let me know what you think is going to happen with Nvidia down in the comment section. And if you want access to all of these indicators and our two-step trading system that we've used to make $2.6 million year to date, you can go and get the link to all of those courses completely free in the description. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you tomorrow.